Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 7 drinks that not only boost your immunity, but also help with weight loss, all backed by nutritional science. We're talking about drinks you can easily incorporate into your daily routine to help you feel your best from the inside out. It's important to remember that maintaining a healthy lifestyle involves a balanced diet and regular exercise. These drinks are amazing tools, but they work best when combined with a holistic approach to health. So grab your water bottle and let's unlock the power of these incredible beverages together. Let's kick off our list with a classic, green tea. This beverage has been consumed for centuries for its health benefits, and for good reason. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, including a powerful one called EGCG. You know I love talking about antioxidants, and EGCG is a star player in boosting your immune system and protecting your cells against damage. But that's not all. Green tea can also give your metabolism a little nudge in the right direction. Studies have shown that green tea can slightly increase your metabolic rate, helping your body burn more calories throughout the day. Not a fan of the taste of plain green tea? No worries. You can add a squeeze of lemon, a bit of honey, or even try it iced with some mint leaves for a refreshing twist. Experiment and find what works for you. Next up, we have a simple yet incredibly effective drink, lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water is like giving your body a refreshing wake-up call. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a vital role in supporting a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps boost the production of white blood cells, which are your body's first line of defense against infections. But the benefits don't stop there. Lemon water can also aid in digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices. This can help alleviate bloating, reduce indigestion, and promote regularity. Plus, the citric acid in lemons can help break down kidney stones, making it a great preventative measure. So add a squeeze of lemon to your water bottle and enjoy the refreshing taste of health. Ginger has been used for centuries as both a spice and a natural remedy, and for good reason. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, easing muscle soreness and joint pain. If you're feeling under the weather, ginger tea can be your new best friend. It's known for its ability to soothe nausea, reduce vomiting, and ease digestive discomfort. Ginger can also help strengthen your immune system by fighting off harmful bacteria and viruses. So next time you're feeling a little off, brew a cup of ginger tea with a slice of lemon and a touch of honey for a soothing and immune-boosting experience. Chapter 4. Apple cider vinegar has gained quite a reputation for its potential health benefits, and for good reason. This fermented drink contains acetic acid, which has been shown to have some pretty amazing effects on blood sugar levels. Studies have found that consuming apple cider vinegar can help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your cells to use glucose from your bloodstream more effectively. This is especially beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. But even if you don't have blood sugar concerns, apple cider vinegar can still be a valuable addition to your diet. It can promote satiety, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and potentially aiding in weight management. Just remember to dilute apple cider vinegar before consuming it, as its acidity can be harsh on your teeth. Try adding a tablespoon or two to a glass of water with a bit of honey or stevia for a more palatable taste. Chapter 5. Turmeric Latte, the golden milk of wellness. Let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice that's been making waves in the health world. Turmeric gets its vibrant yellow color from a compound called curcumin, which boasts powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to help reduce inflammation throughout the body, easing symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis, and even potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. But turmeric doesn't stop there. It can also give your immune system a powerful boost. Curcumin has been found to enhance the activity of immune cells, helping your body fight off infections and stay healthy. One delicious way to enjoy the benefits of turmeric is by making a turmeric latte, also known as golden milk. Simply combine turmeric powder with your choice of milk, almond, coconut, or dairy, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and any other spices you enjoy, like cinnamon or ginger. Chapter 6. Kombucha, the gut-friendly immunity booster. Let's dive into the world of fermented drinks with kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea drink that's become increasingly popular for its unique taste and potential health benefits. What makes kombucha so special? It's all about the probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that reside in your gut and play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and overall health. Kombucha is a natural source of probiotics, which can help replenish and diversify your gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for a strong immune system. When your gut is happy, your immune system can function at its best, protecting you from harmful bacteria and viruses. Plus, the fermentation process of kombucha creates antioxidants, which provide additional immune-boosting benefits. Chapter 7, Matcha, Antioxidant Powerhouse. Last but certainly not least, we have matcha, a type of green tea that's been consumed for centuries in East Asia. Matcha is unique because it's made from the entire tea leaf, which is ground into a fine powder. This means that when you drink matcha, you're consuming the whole leaf and reaping all of its nutritional benefits. And trust me, matcha is packed with nutrients. It's particularly high in antioxidants, especially EGCG, which we discussed earlier. These antioxidants can help protect your cells against damage, reduce inflammation, and support overall health. Matcha also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus without the jitters that can sometimes come with caffeine. This unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine makes matcha a great choice for a morning energy boost or an afternoon pick-me-up. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and nutritional advice. Stay healthy and see you next time. Remember, incorporating these drinks into a balanced diet and active lifestyle can contribute to a healthier and happier you. Small changes can make a big difference over time. As always, consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.